Hi guys, today I will show how to design a 3D design using a basic tool. So first I will type a text, okay. How to make a text 3D. So I'm making this to bold. Just click here and I'm increasing the size. Okay. Make it to landscape. So I am making this text to 3D. Here you can see on the left side there is shadow tool, shadow. Okay. So inside this there is extrude option. Extrude. So click at the top and drag to the bottom, and you can see extrusion type. Make it to this. You can see the front is the black color and the back here the arrow goes to the back side. So by clicking this, every face will be equal, and I'll show you each one. So I'm changing the angle. You can click on the cross button and you can drag, and here you can and see here extrusion color. Click on the arrow and click on the use color shading. So here this will be the whole solid one, and solid colors can be used. See, I'll show you the difference. See, everything is uniform and the side is solid. So if I am making the black to red, see, this is how you select the color of a text. And if I am making this from dark black to light gray, I need a gradient. The shade should be reduced. So I am clicking on the use color shading. See, this is from red to black. So you can see from red it goes, the base goes to black. See, this is how you make 3D, and I will show you the different views. This is the one which we are selected just now. I am showing this one. On the center there is no difference, but on the sides you can test by clicking everything which you require. Here our text goes to the background. I suggest this is the one. For overall making 3D letter, select this one. Okay. And this one, the text goes to, the red color goes to back side. Okay. So select this one and you can get the desired 3D. Okay. I hope it is clear. And one more thing, if you need to put, I'm putting a background. See, if you're making a signboard, this is the background. I put a light gray color. Assume it as an ACB sheet, and here there is a shop. assume it as the class or something like that. Click the right button in the order option, bring the gray color to the back of the page, so you will get our design will be coming to the front. Now I am putting a shadow. Click extrude option, there is a shadow option, so click and drag. You can see a shadow appear. See? Make it so in this way you can put a shadow also, okay, for making the effect little more visible. I hope it is clear, and do let me know if anything through the comment section, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.